Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to permanently disconnect from our network, to delete our password and to forget our password from our device. So we have Samsung Galaxy S22 here. To disconnect permanently our network, we have to go to settings, connections, and as you can see, we are connected to the internet right now. To permanently disconnect, we have to remove the password that our device remembers. So we have forget option here, and now our network is disconnected. And if you want to connect again, we need to enter password once again. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.